we want to draw a shoe sleeve. After drawing a line like this, you draw it like this. The next thing to consider is our length. Our length is 25. We are adding 1 inches, which is 26. That 1 inches is for seam allowance. Then we are adding 2 inches for folding allowance. So we're going to draw a straight line, just like this. We're going to draw a straight line just like this. Just like this. Yeah, put down your music alone. Just like this. Then the next thing we are going to use to get your sleeve. Suit sleeve usually come big and small. To get a big one, we are making use of our bicep. Our bicep is 7.5, which is 15. Our bicep is 15. Bicep, the formula for getting your sleeve, the bigger hand is 15 plus 2.5. So the 15 is 7.5 plus 2.5, which is 10. You draw your 10 just like this. You draw your 10 just like this. And draw a straight line down. Draw a straight line down. Then the smaller hand, we just need to bring our bicep. Our bicep is 15, which is 7.5. We draw it just like this. Just like connect the line. We connect the lines just like this. So the next thing to consider is marking 2 inches around here. That's for the up of the sleeve. We are marking 2 inches. I will show you the use of that 2 inches very soon. So after taking 2 inches, you connect with your ruler to draw a straight line. Just like this. Just like this. And the next thing to consider, if you remember when we took our measurements, sleeve measurements, we took wrist to elbow, which is 13. So we are bringing our 13 here, just like this. Bringing our 13 out, just like this. Like this. And the next, this thing to consider is our biceps. Before we forget, we are going to draw a bicep line again. Should I call it armhole line? So our bicep is 15. We are going to remove 0.3, 0.2 from it. Just like this. Okay. So we are going to connect the lines just like this. This particular line is a bicep line, or we can call it armhole line on our sleeve. It's very, very important. So the next thing to consider is marking 1 inches here. Then we mark 2.5. Initially we added 2.5 here, so we are marking it just like this and drawing a straight line from that 1 inch. And remember, this 1 inch is from the armhole line, which we deducted 0.2 from initially. So we are drawing it like this. Then we are going to deduct, oh, let me connect the line together. This is our wrist to elbow, our wrist to elbow. Wrist to elbow is what I want to draw now. Our wrist to elbow, we are going to mark 1.5 each from all the whole side. That is 0.5, sorry. 0.5 from here, another 0.5 from here, another 0.5 from this side, another 0.5 from this side.